Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Wilton Report. I am Josh Wilton, and on the Wilton Report, we talk about everything real estate, mainly Princeton, Mercer County, New Jersey. Today, we're going to do a little bit of a deep dive throughout the county, talking and giving you some micro detail as to what everybody's talking about, which is basically the lack of inventory on the market. The cupboard is bare. So we're going to go town by town and talk about what's happening. But first, I wanted to just kind of reintroduce the companies we've started with. I was chatting with one of my business partners, 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐄𝐂𝐓, this morning, and grateful for a lot of things in my life, but I'm very grateful that the past 2 years we've been able to put these companies together. We have another one we're launching in the next 2 weeks, but we own the real estate company. We own a title company called Princeton Abstract, Princeton Property Management Services, and Queenston Referral Associates. So if you're a realtor and you know somebody who's in the referral business, I would definitely tell them to check out QueenstonReferralAssociates.com. If you're a landlord, check out PrincetonPropertyManagementServices.com. We offer, in addition to real estate, some really great auxiliary services to the real estate community. So that's that. That's my commercial. I don't have a sponsor, so I guess I kind of sponsor myself. So Mercer County. Let's talk about the county. There is an underlying theme in the market. There's nothing for sale, and there is nothing for sale. On past podcasts, we've talked about the reasons why people are locked into low interest rates. I was talking to a peer, someone who owns a residential brokerage, mortgage company, and title company. He's very vertically integrated. He's predicting another 2 years of this. I was talking to somebody who I would say is well positioned on Wall Street on Wednesday. His opinion is the same. We're locked in about 2 more years of this low inventory environment because we had 10 years of low interest rates. And if you're locked into a 2-3% loan and loans are at 6.5% or higher right now, are you making that move for the higher payment? And the public has resoundingly said no. So what we're seeing is just a real scarcity in inventory. So we're going to kind of go through the county today and go town by town and show you the inventory situation. We're going to end it with Princeton. So looking at Mercer County. So Mercer County is interesting in that it's one of the smaller counties in the state. So as of yesterday, I should say the last day in May, there were 398 listings that were active in May of 2023. Last year, there was 490. That's a difference of 92 homes for sale. And that's a massive, that's 25%. So inventory across the county is down 25%. That's massive. Currently in May, 287 homes went under contract. We call that pendings. Last year, 331. So a difference of 44. So just to kind of call your attention to the 92 and the 44. So again, if you're on YouTube, definitely check out the Wilton Report. If you're listening to this on Spotify, great. I'll kind of walk you through the numbers verbally. We're outselling the market. So inventory is down 92. So it would make sense that home sales would be down about the corresponding number. Home sales are only down by half. That shows you how aggressive the buying public is right now. They're out buying the available inventory. Now, closed homes are down 97, again, about 25%. So what does that mean? It means you're going to see a lot of consolidation in the real estate community. I think the bigger box brands with all their overhead are going to have struggles surviving, but that's a different story for a different day. And the median sold price went up $40,000. That's the median sold price in Mercer County. So in Mercer County, you have a town called Trenton, which is a big municipality, obviously, seat of the state government. You can buy a single-family home in Trenton for $40,000, $50,000, $100,000. You have Princeton, where you can buy a single-family home for $4 or $5 million. So to see the median price in Mercer County go up $40,000 is significant. It's actually hugely significant. So again, when you do the snapshot of available inventory, last year, this is inverted. Of course, I screwed up the numbers. Last year, there was 762 homes for sale. This year, there's 534. So we're down 228 as of this morning. It's a June 1st or 2nd. I'm not even sure. So it is a massive shortfall in inventory across the county. And if you look at West Windsor, holy cow. So very challenging. It's a commuter town to New York City, right? Very desirable. It's close to employment, which is the train, New York City, Philadelphia. Last year in West Windsor, there was 51 homes available today. This year, there's 18. 33 fewer sellers are on the market in West Windsor. That is a catastrophic drop in the number of homes. And I was thinking the other day, have we reached the top of the market in terms of appreciation? Have we reached the peak of pricing? I will tell you, probably not, despite the fact that rates are in the high sixes at the moment. Just this alone is going to force people who need to move, who want the kids in the schools, who need the place for the job. This is going to force them to continue to pay over asking price in West Windsor. That's catastrophic. East Windsor, not as dramatic, right? So last year there was 38 homes for sale. This year there's 24, 14. It's about 20%. You're going to see that pretty consistently across the county. But again, there's a pretty big significant drop in East Windsor in terms of available inventory. Lawrenceville, which is one of the bigger municipalities in terms of density of homes, it's a very big municipality. It went from 61 to 43, so it's almost 30%, or 20 some odd percent, 25%. 18 homes for sale, fewer. That's significantly lower. And again, by the way, 61 for Lawrenceville. They should be at 90 to 100 homes for sale at any given point in time. So you're already at a really, really historical low, and then we're crushing it lower from there. So Hopewell, this is Hopewell Township, by the way, not the borough, not as dramatically off, but again, it's off historically. Hopewell Township is a big, big, big town. It goes all the way from Lambertville in the north to, Princeton and Lawrenceville in the south. So there went from 68 to 56 homes for sale as of this morning. Ewing, which again is this huge, huge, very dense municipality, is down to 52 homes for sale. That's nothing. And I have a colleague sitting in this room, had a customer looking in Ewing, every single house, bidding war after bidding war after bidding war after bidding war. So the bidding war phenomenon, it's not a Princeton phenomenon. It's not a Montgomery phenomenon. It's a county-wide phenomenon right now. Hamilton Township, which is one of the biggest municipalities in the state, is down to 121 homes for sale. That's nothing. They're down 33 active listings. So you say, is that significant? Well, if you're one of the people that keeps getting outbid in Hamilton, it's catastrophic. Like, this is very, very difficult. It's emotionally draining for buyers to go through this. And, so right now, obviously, it's a challenging environment for buyers. So Princeton is down it went from 63 last year to 50 this morning. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I do tweet every single day about the available inventory in Princeton, Josh Wilton 71 on Twitter. So we were at 51 yesterday. We're down to 50 today. And I know of the 50, we're going to break that down, right? Several have offers. So that being said, if you're a seller, this is not a ticket to do what you want. The fundamentals as a seller still matter. Your condition matters. Your location matters. Your price matters. So in Princeton, there are 11 homes for sale under $1 million. Only 11. Of the 11, 2 are not habitable. They've been on the market for over a year. So let's put that in perspective. Condition of a non-habitable house, bad. Location kind of is what it is. They are overpriced. It is when you're on the market for a year in the environment that we're in, you are overpriced. So as a seller, this is not carte blanche to do what you want, price it how you want, put your house on the market in any condition that you want. You need to stage your home. You need to price it well, and you need to drive the market to your home. So just keep in mind, sometimes people think I talk out of both sides of my mouth. I've been in an environment where nothing was selling in 2008 and 2009, right? Outside of Princeton, it was a tough market. I'm just telling you what you need to do right now to buy and sell. So, the condition, location, and price for sellers still matters. And for buyers, my opinion is this. If you're not working with a realtor who knows the market, you're going to be in for a tough slog. It just is what it is. Everyone's honking at me as I'm doing my podcast this morning. So, fundamentals still matter for sellers. This is not an invitation for you to put your house on the market stage it, price it right, do it right. So that's it for today for the Wilton Report. I just wanted to kind of do a county-wide synopsis. I will do another broadcast next week. We'll do a little bit of a deeper dive into Princeton. And in a couple of weeks, we're going to start having guests on the show. So that's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. Again, we are on Spotify, Google, YouTube. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, it is Josh Wilton71 on Twitter. I do tweet daily about the Princeton real estate market. And as always, we're here to help you out. So reach out if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody.